Ever stared at your Lunar app, fingers hovering over the withdrawal button, but no clue what happens next? You're not alone. Let's dive into the world of Lunar withdrawals. Think of your money as a locked treasure chest. Lunar is the key, but how do you actually get that gold out? Well, it's not as complicated as you might think. First things first, let's talk about your Lunar card. That shiny piece of plastic is your passport to accessing your money. You can use it at any ATM that displays the MasterCard or Visa logo. It's like having a global ATM network at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. You can also withdraw cash over the counter at some financial institutions. Just look for those MasterCard or Visa signs again. It's like having a backup plan, right? Now, let's talk limits. Every treasure chest has a limit, and your Lunar account is no different. There are daily and monthly withdrawal limits. You can find these limits in the Lunar app or on their website. It's like knowing the size of your treasure chest before you start digging. But what about fees? Everyone loves free stuff, right? Well, Lunar doesn't charge you a fee for withdrawing cash within the Eurozone, the US, UK, Sweden, and Norway. It's like finding extra gold nuggets in your treasure chest. But if you're venturing outside those areas, you might encounter a small fee. It's like paying a toll to access a different treasure island. Let's talk about currencies. Your Lunar account is usually in euros, but you can spend in other currencies. When you withdraw cash in a foreign currency, Lunar automatically converts it for you. It's like having a built-in currency exchange right in your pocket. But remember, there might be a small fee for currency conversion. It's like paying a customs duty for bringing your treasure home. Now, let's talk about security. Your money is safe with Lunar, but you need to protect it too. Always check your surroundings when using an ATM. It's like guarding your treasure chest from pirates. And never share your PIN with anyone. That's like giving away the combination to your lock. So, there you have it. Withdrawing money from Lunar is as easy as finding a treasure map. Just remember your card, check the limits, and be aware of potential fees. And most importantly, keep your money safe. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Happy treasure hunting!